दोस्तों मैं हूं बी सिंह, फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर नेक्स्ट IAS and Mediji Group. 2020 is the year of COVID and now the COVID is getting over. Vaccination is going on and students are writing a lot of messages. We are receiving messages when the classes will start, who will teach, how you will begin. The journey of 2021 is going to be different from 2020. Today I have with me the core teaching members of Next IAS. We will talk about how Mediji and Next IAS is going to take this journey forward. The teachers who will be taking your classes, they are class apart. They have many years of the teaching experience and they are different from others. That is why many students who are learning, they are attending classes in the online classes, they are appreciating the teaching.
My name is Awadh Pratap Oja and I am the faculty of Modern World History in Next IAS Academy. As our director has already informed all the plans of this institute, so I want to add one thing. Many of the parents have the concern ki whether we should send our children to Delhi for offline classes or not. And then these students are very much eager for offline classes. As you are the parents there, we will act as a parents here. Plus, the most important thing which I want to say here, that I am the exclusive faculty of Next IAS.
Hello all, I am Vibhas Jha and it's lovely welcoming you at Next IAS in a post-COVID world. I am assuming that COVID will be behind us in some more months and we are eagerly waiting that offline we will wait for you here. In my 21 years of teaching economics that I have been doing, I have never found a place more friendly towards students than Next IAS under Mr. B. Singh. I am honestly saying it because with all the teaching experience I have had and interaction with students, it has been quite varied, ranging from University of Maryland to Delhi School of Economics to other institutes at college level, etc. I have seen that Next IAS thinks about the students, and that I have seen in the major efforts made by the whole team regarding sanitization, cleanliness, looking up to the students and making sure that not only students but the parents are respected. So I'm honestly telling you that I feel very moved and feel very proud that I'm associated with an institution which is not only running teaching system very well, but has its own charitable institution attached to it. In Kapuria sir's name, I must tell you that sir is someone who is guiding us through the whole economics course and will be taking the topics of fiscal policy and inflation at Next IAS Institute. So I thank the whole team to have accepted me, and I'm looking forward that I will see all of you very soon in the offline course exclusively at Next IAS.
Hello friends, myself Abhishek Parmar, and I'm right now, as you have seen, that we are a part and parcel of the Next IAS team, and 2020 is a defining year because it has brought lot of changes in each and every field. So one such change is that in the field of education, now I'm exclusively associated with Next IAS, and I have already been engaged in online course at Next IAS. We are very ready that the moment government will declare that offline classes is going to start, Next IAS, the entire team, welcoming all of you, those who are eager to take offline courses. It's just a matter of time, as COVID is also, the cases are also reducing, and I'll be taking up modern Indian history along with other segments of history if required. So all the best to all of you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Atish Mathur and I am very happy to inform all of you that I am your lead faculty here for Polity and Governance as a part of your GS Foundation course. And one of the most fundamental parts of being here is we will make sure that you learn well, you reciprocate well, and we will be holding your hand through your entire journey here. This is going to be an engagement environment, and I would also like to inform you that in all capacities you can always come and meet me here. You will find me here, and I'm always here to help you in any capacity that you would want me to be there for you. Thank you. It's a pleasure and it's an honor to be with Next IAS amongst such a distinguished panel of teachers in the country.
Hello everyone, I am Raj Rai, faculty at Next IAS for social issues, and I am also going to take the sociology optional at Next IAS. Now we are going to have this association with Next IAS for the reason that Next IAS is the most student friendly institute which is going to associate with you not just during the preparation but also until you get selected in many ways. So you are very well welcome to join and feel the experience, feel the change which you can see at our institute.
Next IAS classes are going to be different. Different in the sense there will be different teaching pedagogy, interactive classrooms, digital classrooms. Not only that, spacious and fully sanitized. You should not worry about any kind of the COVID problems. Things are getting over, we are taking precautions, and you will always feel safe and secured environment with Next IAS. And this journey is going to enrich day by day well-framed curriculum, comprehensive study material, academic coaches who will support you 24/7 in all respective requirements of your exam. And you will feel this difference in the coming days. If you are planning your journey towards civil services, then Next IAS will give you best out of best support which is required.